Let's determine the solution set of this trigonometric equation, that is 2 sine theta plus 5 equals 4, and we are given that theta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to pi. So first we have to determine the reference angle by solving this trigonometric equation. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So when I do that, I get 2 sine theta equals 4 minus 5, which is -1. I divide both sides by 2, so I get sine theta equals -1 over 2. So this is a trigonometric equation. Now we have to find the reference angle using this equation. So for that we can momentarily consider this quantity to be positive. So since I'm going to find the reference angle, I write down this equation as sine of theta reference equals positive 1 by 2. So we can use the trigonometric table, or we can refer this from unit circle. So according to the table or the unit circle, we know that if sine theta equals half, then the theta reference, that is the reference angle, equals 30 degree, or it's in terms of radians, it is pi by 6 radians. So we found the reference angle. And now we go back to our original equation, that is sine theta equals -1 over 2. This means sine theta is basically negative. Now we have to look for which quadrant sine theta is negative. So let's construct the quadrant diagram. So this is first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. Here everything is positive, only sine is positive, tangent is positive, and cos is positive. Basically, sine is negative in quadrant 3 as well as quadrant 4. So since we have determined the reference angle is pi over 6, we can first construct this reference angle in this quadrant. So I'm going to construct this reference angle like this. This basically is the pi over 6, and this also is pi over 6. And our exact angles, we will have two exact angles, that is we start from this point and we reach this angle. So this is we have to determine this angle 1, and another angle is again we start from here and reach this terminal arm till this point. So basically we get two angles. So what we can do is to determine theta 1, since theta 1 actually lies in third quadrant. So whenever an angle lies in third quadrant, we can write down this as pi plus theta reference. So therefore this becomes pi plus the reference angle is pi over 6. So we simplify this, and when we do that, we get 7 pi over 6. So basically this is one solution to the given trigonometric equation. And now we have to determine theta 2. So let's do that. So we observe that theta 2 lies in fourth quadrant, and whenever angle lies in fourth quadrant, it is considered to be 2 pi minus of theta reference. So we will use the reference angle here. This becomes 2 pi minus of pi over 6. And when we simplify this, this will give 11 pi over 6. So this is another angle or the solution set. So therefore the solution set to the given trigonometric equation is 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. So this is the solution set of the given trigonometric equation.